In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to link your FxPro to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to fxpro.com. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account like you usually would. Then from here, you'll get into this page right here. From here, you'll need to go over to Wallet and Accounts and scroll down to either Real Accounts or Demo Accounts. This will work with both ways. So if you go over to, for example, the demo account, you can go over here and click Trade. Then from here, you'll see your login info and password that was sent to your email. From here, you'll go down to either Metatrader 5, where you can download and install it for your Windows computer. And if you already have downloaded it, it should look something like this. From here, you'll need to go up to the file icon over here and then click Login to Trade Account from here. Then from here, you'll need to find your login info and password. And you can find that by clicking right here and then find your password that you can find inside of your email address. Then from here, you need to make sure that you have this server as the same one as your FxPro. And then from here, you'll just need to click OK. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!